Hi, good morning. The name is Michael Vigneault and I'm your business coach. This morning, I want us to look at accountability, how accountability can motivate you and keep you committed. So one sure way to remain accountable is to make public commitment of things you want to do. For example, you want to improve on your bookkeeping skills this year. Announce it in your cycle and your friends will hold you accountable. Another way of doing it is to get an accountability partner. Accountability partner is somebody you respect and the person can hold you to your words. So don't just go and take anybody at all. The person is interested in what you do and can hold you and guide you in the process of achieving what you want to achieve. And when you're able to do that, I'm sure you are well on your way of achieving your goals that you set this year. And that keeps you motivated. It keeps you committed to what you said you want to do. Let me give you an example. I have committed this year that anytime I sit in my car, I make a 2-minute or 3-minute video and post on YouTube. By that way, I'm able to post a video at least once a day. And I'm making this public so that you can hold me accountable to it. And I know my accountability partner, Fafa, will also hear this and hold me accountable to it. One other commitment that I've made is to improve on my English. So I took Fafa as my accountability partner. And she made sure she holds me to it. She sees things that I should correct in my English. And I'm committed. And sometimes I rehearse it, record it, and send it to her. She'll look at it and commend me or ask me to do necessary adjustments. So in short, that is accountability and how to use it to motivate yourself and remain committed to achieving your goals. I hope this helps you. If today is the first time on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification button for more. If you also like this video, kindly hit the like button and share for others to enjoy. Thank you.